Hey you guys, this is the Tippy Canoe. When I was young, I used to come here and would eat or have drinks. They had a bar here, and I guess it burned down like a month ago. And this is on the Sandy River in the outside of Portland in the Columbia Gorge. And look at that. It really had a big bad fire. Yeah, this place has been here since forever, probably since the 40s or something. It was a really old building and old restaurant. And look at that. That chair. It's a chair. Wow. This is pretty amazing. They've got it all fenced off. And, oh yeah, look, they have some decorations right there. And look at the big wires. Yeah, that's a shame. That was a really cool place. See, there's some more stuff there, looks like. We're using our sports cam because I've got the waterproof thing on it, so we could do this in the rain. It's raining really hard right now. Look at that. Wow. They had a big fireplace right there. Now look, there's a walk-in freezer way over there. That's the walk-in freezer. One of them. And there is the